Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to talk with you about the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro camera. It's an action camera and I recently picked it up. It arrived in this box and I want to share you my impressions about it with you. So it came with batteries, cables, protective cover, mounting things. And do I like it or do I don't like it? My first impression was that it was very professional, and yeah, I have to confirm it. It's one of the best action cameras I have seen so far. I also have a GoPro Hero 12 action camera, and what I find about it is that the DJI Action 5 Pro is much better than the GoPro. Yeah, the list goes on with things that are better. Yeah, you have a easy mounting bracket here with the GoPro Hero. It's not good as this. With this you can just click it on like that and it's finished. So you save a lot of time. The mounting bracket is much better than the GoPro 12, and it's not everything. Also, it's the settings that you can do with it. It's much more better. It supports the DJI Mic 2 microphone, Bluetooth microphone, and you can configure everything on it. So it's much better. The picture quality in the night is much better. If you have Action 12 GoPro camera, then in the night, if your setting is a little bit too dark, then the camera from the GoPro turns completely black. And with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro camera, I don't have that problem. So you can film with this in very dark areas. So this is, yeah, it's good, huh? And you also can configure everything. The configuration on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is much better than the Hero, than the GoPro Hero. The list goes on. It also is a good price. Yeah, it's better in any aspect. You also can get it with a protective cover. I bought the Adventure combo, so this is the Adventure combo here, and it came with yes, with a protective frame. So this is the frame. You can do it out like that, and your camera is much better protected. But this is also not everything. The list goes on and on with things that are better. Also the screen, it's an OLED screen in the front and in the back. And with the GoPro 12, it's the quality of the screen is not so good. So the screen is many times better with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So yeah, the list goes on, and then the battery usage with the same battery in the GoPro Hero 12 and the same battery in the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. This camera runs 2 times more longer than the GoPro Hero 12. So the battery is much better. Any aspect from the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is much more better than the GoPro Hero 12. So yeah, the picture is almost perfect. It works in dark. The screen is better. It supports better microphones. The mounting bracket, it's much more easier to work with. The battery goes, you can use the battery for a longer time. The microphone that is built in internally is quite good. I have no problems with it. It also has I think a speaker, although it beeps. So you can choose settings and you hear sound. So, and it goes really loud. But you can configure that. You can adjust the volume. So yeah, the list goes on, huh? And also the settings. You have a lot of possible settings that you can do with the DJI Osmo Action 5 camera, and it's quite good. The stabilization I have to give it minimum a 9.5 on 10 points for stabilization. It's like perfect. You can shake very hard and the pictures keep stable. You can choose horizontal stabilization and vertical stabilization. It works perfectly. I have no problems with it. I am very happy. If I have to choose between GoPro or DJI, I definitely go with DJI instead of the GoPro. The GoPro is not that bad. If you have an area where there is light, you can you can make good pictures with it. You can make good videos with the GoPro, but the resolution of the picture quality of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is much more better. So the list goes on. Yeah. If you have to choose between the both cameras, I would advise you to buy the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The price is good. It works. It has a lot of features. The configuration settings are good. The mounting is good. It has a protective frame. It has many things, and also I believe that the weight of the camera is less. The GoPro is more heavier than this. I feel that. I don't have the exact weight, but I go to check it. Hold on a second. This is my to weight my how many grams it is. So I go to put the GoPro Hero 12 onto it, and it weighs with one battery inside 121 grams. And now I go to take the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, and it weighs it weighs more than the it doesn't feel like that. If you have to feel. Yeah, it's the weight. I don't have a battery inside of it. That's a problem. Hold on one second. Okay, I just included the battery in the GoPro Hero 12, and we go to weigh it again, and it's 152 grams. And now I weigh the DJI Osmo Action 5 with the battery inside of it, 148 grams. So the DJI Action is 5 grams less. So yeah, you feel that the weight from the Action is less than the Hero 12. So which one is the best camera? I advise you to buy the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro instead of the GoPro cameras, because it's better in any aspect. The battery, the configuration settings, support for microphones, the OLED screen on the DJI Osmo Action 5 is better than the screen on the GoPro 12. Also the booting time. If you want to boot, if you want to push on the record when the camera is off from the from the GoPro, it takes a lot of time to start. And if you just push here on the record button, voila, it's already started. From the DJI, it starts directly. And if you want to do it with the GoPro, I just pushed it. And now it's running. So yeah, it takes a lot of time. So the booting time is shorter, and so the list goes on. Shorter booting time, better battery life, better screen, better support for external microphone. Yeah, the list goes on. I advise you at any time to go for the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. It's much more better than the GoPro, and yeah, you get a good product at a very good price. I really like the price of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. It's good. So I hope you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm giving away nice prizes to subscribers of my channel. You only have to subscribe, and when you win something you will be notified. And also don't forget, if you like this video, please do the thumbs up on the video. Thank you, and bye bye.